Hi everyone. Today we will show you how to edit the mobile version of your Canva website. Making sure your site looks great on mobile keeps it clean, responsive, and professional on any device. Let's get started. On your Canva website editing page, go to the upper right corner. Here we can see the preview option. Just click to view your site and choose between desktop or mobile view. Clicking on Mobile View will show you exactly how your site looks on a mobile device. From here, we can edit the text directly. If any text is missing or not quite right, we can adjust it on the editing page. Once we make our changes, we can preview them again in Mobile View. When everything looks good, just click to share or publish the page. And that's it. We can now make sure our Canva website looks great and works smoothly on smartphones and tablets.